It's a tough number. 20 million Americans struggle with substance abuse, and experts say during the pandemic, the situation has only gotten worse, with alcohol and opioid-related deaths going up. In this week's Healthier Together, Amy Ney has more on treatment options that take away a lot of the stigma typically associated with getting help.
What has happened with a COVID pandemic is that the crisis has worsened.
Dr. Hassan Mahmoud, Regence's behavioral health medical director, says the opioid and alcohol abuse crisis is only compounded by our current situation.
It is becoming harder to recognize signs and symptoms of substance use because of physical distancing. So there are three things to look out for.
1. Behavioral changes, withdrawn or unable to complete tasks at work. 2. Physical changes like weight loss or a change in sleep habits or glazed eyes. And 3. A family history of addiction, Dr. Mahmoud says, increases the risk.
But the good news is that treatment is available. If you or a loved one is struggling, remember to seek care.
And we recognize that it takes a lot of strength to make that call.
Dr. Allison Smith is medical director at Boulder Care, an outpatient telehealth treatment center.
We're able to provide the care they need in a way that's working for people.
From home, confidential, and taking away the stigma, typically keeping those struggling with substance abuse from getting the help they need.
People suffering with substance use disorders are often met with judgment and treated really poorly when they interact with the medical system. And that sadly really encourages them to avoid seeking care.
And some communities have very limited resources. Why she says virtual treatment is so important and works.
Our outcomes data at Boulder Care suggests that virtual care for substance use disorders is extremely effective.
To find out more about treatment options in your community, you can go through the Substance Abuse and Mental Health Services Administration at samhsa.gov. For Healthier Together, Amy Ney, Fox 13 News, Utah.
For more on this story, or if you have health-related questions that you would like answered, send an email to healthiertogether@fox13now.com.